Hi, my name is Marissa Carrig. I'm an independent paparazzi consultant, and I'm going to make a video on how to set yourself apart from other consultants. You know what? There is a lot of us, and only the good are going to stick around. So that's the one thing that I learned is set yourself apart from other consultants. And I wanted to share with you how. Number one, always be enthusiastic. Hey, we have a great product. Smile, enjoy yourself. If you don't love selling this business isn't for you. Because let me tell you, I love this jewelry. Number two, always be yourself. Really, I mean, that's not a hard thing to do. So when you go ahead and if you're a consultant that does live videos, you're not just selling the jewelry. People like you, and people are gonna fall in love with you too. And they'll become customers for life if you let them. So always be yourself. Another thing is that you want to get to know your customers. Make sure that you're paying attention. Hey, Susie's on my show all the time. I notice she really likes purple. So when you're about to pull out a piece to show somebody, especially Susie, and you bought it specifically because you know she likes purple, say, Susie, I thought you'd really like this one. Once you have customers that consistently come and buy from you, you're gonna learn what they like and what they don't like. Hey, she really loves brass, or this one loves feathers, or infinity signs, or hearts. I'm a heart person. So you really wanna get to know your customer. Now, depending on what location you're starting with your customers, it's not a bad idea to allow them to pick up jewelry from your house. You get to meet them in person. They see that you're a nice person. They get to know you too. The other thing I like to do is I like to ship my items in a box. So how many of you guys have received packages from other consultants and it's a padded envelope and it's just stacked full of jewelry? Or they put it into these little organza bags. So the organza bags, I mean, you can go ahead and do it, but I'm gonna tell you, your necklaces, your earrings, they all get caught in it and they get tangled. So it's not a great idea. What I do is I save, even if you're gonna hang things up on a board, I save the original sleeve that it came in. You don't have to save the outer bag, just so you can tuck that necklace into that sleeve so that you can get it shipped out just like Paparazzi ships it to you. Now the other thing, ship fast. I can't tell you how many live shows I've watched, and I'm waiting for jewelry to come from a consultant that I've purchased, and it takes so long that I end up buying the same piece of jewelry off of another live show. That's crazy. Can you guys hear my beagle babying in the background? He wants me for some reason. Now, the other thing, I mean, always, always, always look presentable. Nobody wants to buy from somebody who has greasy hair, or you haven't brushed your teeth and they can see the thickness of the plaque on them from the screen. You know, me personally, I don't try jewelry on. I use my displays too. You never know. Somebody could have a wart on their finger or, and it happens. But you don't want to be showing the jewelry on your hand that you're going to sell. Buy a nice display. Show it up really close. Do that. And the last thing I wanted to say is don't ever swear. Let's be ladies here. And don't talk politics. It's fine to share something about your personal life, but if you're complaining online all the time or talking about the drama in your day, or I've seen people pray, hey, I'm a religious person, I pray, but I save it for my bedroom at night or in the morning, I don't use it on my live show. People are there to see you sell jewelry, so sell the jewelry. Sell yourself and sell your jewelry. Thanks so much.